guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited because Smartass and Sass is here. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Smartass and Sass just arrived. This one I actually purchased myself. If you watched last month's unboxing, I told you the changes that they were doing. They were eliminating the shirt box and the small box and only offering the box without the shirt and the big box with the shirt. At that time, I did tell you guys that I was going to contact them, see about how I can change my account to be a paid account since they were sending it to me for so long that I wanted to support them. And I was able to do that successfully. I didn't hear back from them because she was super busy. So I figured out a way to go into my account and cancel that free one that was in my account and re-sign up with a new one that was being paid for. So I did pay for this one. But after I did that, the owner then did write back to me and she actually said that she went ahead and canceled my paid subscription and turned it back into a non-paid subscription. So it sounds like if I keep canceling it, she's going to keep canceling it too. So I was at least able to support her one time. So next month, it seems like I might be back on their system. So we'll see. But at least I was able to sneak one in and pay for one myself because again, I definitely wanted to support them. Also, this was the last box that you would have the chance to customize those few items if you were the big box subscriber. Now, starting from this month now going forward, you don't have the customization anymore. It goes back to how it used to be, where it's just amazing, fun mystery items every time, and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is inside of this one. This is my Smartass and Sass box. So in this video, I might be saying or showing more foul language than I do in others. So there's your disclaimer. So let's go ahead and dive in. I absolutely love the box. I love all the colors. I just love everything about this company. And I tell you guys that every single month. A monthly subscription for mouthy mofos. Yep, that's me. So there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. So this month's theme is for March again, for last month. I don't know if I actually said that. I might not have. Sorry. This is actually March 2024's box. One great thing about Smartass and Sass, if there's any product that's holding up their box from shipping, they let us know. They're constantly in communication, so you don't have to worry. You're not left like, where's my box? They let you know all the time. And then they let you know if it's going to be like a delay, and then if it's even going to be more of a delay, and then they let you know when they're going to be shipping. So you have a whole lot of correspondence between them. They let us know exactly what's going on. So March, take out the trash is the theme right there. It's either me or the house. We can't both look good at the same time. How cute. So on this side, there's actually a QR code that you can download and you can listen to a playlist every single month. There's a whole new playlist and I absolutely love that. So you can listen to the Take Out the Trash playlist, get down with some guilty pleasures with no apologies. And again, you can, every single month you have a new playlist and I love that. So for March, take out the trash. Spring is upon us and it's time to make a half-assed attempt at cleaning and organizing our homes and lives again. This month, let's get shit done. Take stock of the unnecessary around you and kick it to the curb, including those toxic Facebook friends. Fuck yeah. A sneak peek to April's theme says, shit happens, be ready. This month, prepare for the worst while hoping for the fucking best. That's really all that can be expected of us, right? Yes. And then it's going to go over all of the items that is inside of this box. So let's go ahead and start with the sticky notes for this month. Starting January, for every single month of this year, there is a new sticky note in the collection. I think that's super cool because then every single month you get a new one. This month it says groceries, Smartass and Sass grocery list. No carbs, over my bread body. Over my bread body. This would have been in, now that this was the last month, March was the last month you had all of the different subscriptions. Now moving forward, there's only the 2. So this would have been in all 4. So if last month you had the shirt only or the small box, you would receive this, as well as the box and the big box. So it says, kick yourself for forgetting that one thing you actually needed at the store. No more with this month's collectible Post-it brand 50-page sticky notepad, 3 of 12. It is a $4.95 value, and now I can add it to my others and then we got this in January, so I can stick them all in here. And I'm so excited at the end of the year to have this completely full out of all 12 of them. So there's number 1. So then the next thing in here, it says hella clean, dirty AF. Oh, is this like a magnet to go on? It's for a dishwasher. I don't have a dishwasher. When we bought our house, there was a dishwasher, and we actually did keep it for a while. I used it one time when we first were unpacking everything, because my stuff was in boxes for years. Because when I moved out here from California, my stuff was in a storage unit, and it was just stored until I could have them bring all my stuff out here. And then it was stored here for a while until we actually had our house to have room for me to bring all my stuff in and actually unpack it. So once we actually did come and bring all my stuff and everything, I thought it would be better to use the dishwasher to use like to clean my dishes, so it would be nice and hot, and it would be like, you know, better than me doing it. It took so long with the very first cycle that I ended up washing everything else on my own before it was even done. And I was like, you know what? To hell with this fucking dishwasher. I'm never using this shit again. And then like a couple months later, I think I had went to California to visit my mom for Thanksgiving, and my man surprised me with taking, because I said, I don't want it. I want cabinets here. Plus it was more inconvenient for me to have to go over more to get my silverware. I was like, I really want cabinets here. So when I was gone, my man and his uncle surprised me, and they actually took that out and put in cabinets. So when I came back from my little vacay, I did not have a dishwasher, and I've never had one since, and I don't regret it. I love my cabinet. So short story long, can't use this. Long story just for me to tell you guys I don't have a fucking dishwasher in my house. So this would have been found in the box, the small box, again, that was only for last month, and the big box. It says hella clean, dirty AF magnets. Make screaming, are these clean or dirty, across the house a thing of the past with this reversible dishwasher magnet. Just give this little guy a spin to let everyone know when the dishes are hella clean or dirty AF. Then wait for absolutely no one to do a damn thing about it. Sigh. This was valued at $15.95, and I must say, like, when I first picked this up, I thought this was a coaster, like, because she is thick. Thank you. She is thick. So it is a really nice quality. It's not like a chimsy little thing. I'm not quite sure what it's made out of, if it's wood or what, but it has weight to it. It feels like good quality. So you can have it there saying that they are clean, and then flip it over, flip it and reverse it, and say they're dirty as fuck. So there is that. That is super cute. Kind of wish I had a dishwasher just so I could stick it on there, but not to use it. Okay, so now we have as a bonus item. I'm actually super excited because I got this in another box, like when they first originally put this in their box. I really love mine. I even bought this for my man's sisters and some of my friends for Christmas. I think it was last year or the year before. So I really, really love this thing. It was just an extra bonus, an extra item. So if you got it before, now you have 2, or you can gift it to somebody else, use it for a different cleaner or some other type of liquid inside of it. So this is the Bitch Be Gone spray bottle bonus item. And this would have been in the big box and the box. Spray away all day with this 16-ounce glass spray bottle with a green silicone sleeve, valued for $12.95. And these can be, and like all of their individual items that are by Smartass and Sass, purchased from their shop that you can purchase anytime. I will have them all linked down below if you'd like to go check them out for the subscription box or their shop. I even just bought some stuff from their shop because they had a really good spring deal. And I bought some stuff for Christmas presents at the end of this year. So I'm already Christmas shopping. So you can purchase things at any time. Right here it just says bitch be gone. And it's like, if you can see that, and then it's just a glass spray bottle that you can, again, put with anything. Use it for your garden, use it to iron, use it to wet your hair, use it to do whatever you see fit. But I really, really like this. I love the one that I have now, so I'm so glad to have another one. And again, that's a $12.95 bonus item. It wasn't really a part of the box. It was just an extra bonus item. So that's awesome. Now we are gonna go with, it says, it is a canvas bag. Ooh, I really thought it was going to be blue because the picture, let me show you. The picture there, the ink more looks like a blue, looks more blue, whatever. It looked more of a bluish color, and this is a beautiful teal color. It says only the essentials. And it has the two handles, and then it has like this little whoop-de-woo here that you can put around the, what is it, a button? Yes, a button to keep it, I guess, together. And you got these long handles. Is there a pocket on the inside? No, it's just all open. If I can show you. It is all open on the inside. This right here says only the essentials canvas bag. This would have been in the small box, the box, and the big box. What you consider essential is no one else's business. Pack this sturdy canvas tote bag with all the things you could probably do without, but won't. $19.95 is the value. I think that's super cute. And you never know when you need to just toss some shit in something and take it somewhere. So you do have this canvas tote, valued again, $19.95, and I love that color. Love it. So again, this is the last time to customize. So to go over the different ones, I'm going to let you know what they would have been for this box. So for storage, there could have been a don't you fucking dare reusable snack bags set of 4. It says, I already licked this. I've slapped a bitch for less. And don't you fucking dare. It's the hint of arsenic that gives it that extra kick. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. And I guess all of these would have been the same value of $19.95. So you could have got that 4-piece set of the reusable bags, or a leftovers lunch tote, and it says eat the damn leftovers right on the front. You could have got the can't touch this beeswax wraps set of 3. I've got those beeswax wraps, say that 5 times fast, in a few different boxes, and to me, I just really didn't care for them. So I definitely didn't choose that. What I did choose is something that I love and I'm using all of the time, and that is this 2-piece broke ass leftovers container set. This was an option, you know, we got it in a box before, so since they had this as an option, I'm like, yes, that's what I want. I love the color and I use these all the time, so I'm like, yep, let me get another set of those. So you have 2 different sizes. I love how they just break down in this little compact size. I also love how they snap together with all 4 sides. This one says, I'm a slut for leftovers. And here is the actual size. And I've never had any problem with them just like collapsing while I'm using them, if you were wondering. And then this one here is broke ass bitch. And I do really like that it has the little top here. So like if you needed to remove that to let steam out or anything like that, you can remove that little nipple thing right there or pop it out. And then this one is a little bit smaller, but it's still a great size, especially for leftovers, nuts, whatever you see fit. You can put anything in these containers. So let me show you them side by side so you can see the actual difference in the sizes. Right there. So there's both of them. So then the next item is considered cleaning item. So the first option, it says panic cleaning reusable paper towels, a set of 10. No scrub Swedish dishcloths, and that's what I chose. There's also I hate cleaning Swedish dishcloths. So there was another set of 5 that had different sayings on them that you could have chose from. Or the last thing would be a I tried to stop swearing, but I can't. And I have received that, so I do have that one. So I went ahead and chose this 5-pack of the Swedish dishcloths, and I will show you what they look like, but every single one of those was valued at $19.95. So the first one says, yuck, housework won't kill you, but why take the chance? Dishes, we meet again, dirty bastards. No bitchin' in my kitchen. That's right. Don't want no scrubs. No, we don't want no scrubs. So fresh and so clean. This one was just hilarious, and this just like goes with me. Plus I love those colors. So this is the one that I chose for that tier. And then the last one that you can choose from was considered, what did they call that one? It's a book journal. So there was the Unfuck Your Brain, and that's what I chose. There is the Unfuck Your Year, Let That Shit Go journal, and the, how you say, journal book. So I went ahead and grabbed the Unfuck Your Brain, and it says using silence to get over anxiety, depression, anger, freakouts, and triggers. So I'm like, hell yeah, I could definitely use to read that. And then all of those books were a value of $14.95. And I'm super, super excited to be able to try to help with any of those items right there. And then the last item in here is going to be the shirt. So if you got the big box, or last month if you got the shirt only, or if you want to purchase the shirts individually, you can grab them on the shop anytime. So this month's shirt, they're always on this, the Bella and Canvas soft blended tees. They are the unisex sizing, extra small all the way up to 4XL. Stay trashy. Stay trashy. They do have, like, I can't remember what it says on it right now. It has a really cute saying, of course, because it's Smartass and Sass. But they do have a pair of socks that has a trash panda, and it says something like, I think it's in like a little trash can or something like that. And that would be super cute if you, well, I have them. I'm going to wear them with this. But even if you didn't have those, you could always purchase them from their shop, and then you can wear them with your trash panda shirt as well. And I like that color because it's not a white, but it's like a light gray. And I'm not sure if we got this color before. So that's really nice. I like that color. So stay trashy. And that is everything for the March 2024 box. So a quick recap for my box. If you had the big box or the shirt, you have, this is the monthly shirt. You have the book. I have the 2-piece container set, the 5-piece dishcloth set. You have the canvas bag, which I love that color. You have the magnet for the dishwasher to tell your ass if they are clean or dirty. There is the Post-it note for the month. And then a free item is the free squirt bottle. Okay, you guys. So that is now everything for this March box. Let me know down below, what did you think of the products that they put in there? What do you think of the ones that I chose versus the others? I just absolutely love this box, you guys. I tell you that all the time. If you would like a little bit more information about the pricing, I will let you know right about now. So again, now there's only the 2 tiers, makes it super simple and easy. It is $49.95 if you want to do the box. That's no shirt. All of the other items, just no shirt. So $49.95, and the US free shipping is included. They now included free US shipping in their prices, which is amazing. So the big box is $69.95 with the free US shipping, and you get everything that the other box gets plus the t-shirt. Again, you can choose from an extra small all the way up to a 4XL. And that is everything, you guys. Again, I will have them linked down below. You can check them out. If you want to learn more about me or my animals, learn about other companies and discount codes, you can always check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, so then you can see all of the different videos that I do. I post a whole lot of different ones. So if a video pops up that you're not interested in, just pass it until you see one that you do. That's simple. So again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.